How to stop Facebook from running in the background using up your battery life without you knowing it. So this is going to be on a Android 16 smartphone, more specifically a Google Pixel phone, but the steps should work the same as other Android phones. Most of us have Facebook and we have a lot going on Facebook. So we'll look for the app on our Android phone. We're going to long press the app itself until you see the app info option. Now go into it. And once you're in this section here, you are going to scroll down until you reach the battery usage or app battery usage. So it may be named different on other Android phones. Go ahead and tap on it right here. And you'll notice this will show up. And you're simply going to look for allow background usage or battery background usage on other Android phones and similar to Samsung phones. Now you'll notice the main switch here, and basically if this is turned on, your Facebook is going to run as it normally would, as if you're actually on the app itself. So you're going to get those real-time updates, those notifications are going to come in, the latest videos are going to be shown, and that is going to be running in the background without you knowing. So also using some battery life. Now it tells you here, disable to save battery life. And of course, if you do this, basically your Facebook will not be running in the background, saving you some battery life. And in order to get the real-time updates, all the latest on the Facebook, you'll just have to go on to the app itself, open it up, let it load up all the latest updates, and you're good to go. But if you prefer it to run in the background, just leave it on, okay? So turning it off just simply does this here, and you'll see that you will not have the option to optimize it or whatnot. But if you leave it on, this is the same switch, you can choose to optimize it if you want, but that usually doesn't really work much. But that is that, my friends. Like and sub.